Welcome to All My Abs workout. Ready for a really good ab burn? So this workout is for you. Today I've got for you 10 minutes super fiery at home ab workout. No equipment needed. You can do this workout on its own or add it to any other workouts. So the way our workout goes today, we've got 3 circuits with 6 exercises each. We're going to do each exercise for 30 seconds, no break in between. And we're going to take a 30 seconds break in between each circuit. Make sure you don't have diastasis recti while following this workout. Ready? Let's do this! Alrighty, meet me on your back. Bend your knees. Interlock alternate fingers, point your index up. Reach through. Here we go. Inhale, exhale. Slow motion coming down. Up. Slow motion. Lifting up on the exhale. Next one, reach up, 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 and up. Move with your breath. Now flatten your back, extend your legs, scissor kicks. Make sure there is no space between your lower back and the floor. You can keep your arms on the ground or supporting your elbows, palms facing skyward. Scissor kicks. Squeeze your navel in towards the lower back to the floor. Woohoo! Up to boat. Let's do some Russian twist. Need to modify. You can place your feet down to rest on the ground. Get ready for seated crunch. Hands on the ground, extend, crunch, extend. No need to rush. Elbows pointing backward. Slow controlled movement. Nice, steady breath. Last one. And bicycles, hands behind your head. Now let's go, elbow to knee. Lift your shoulder blades. Don't bring the knee to your elbow. Lift higher, bring the elbow to your knee. Woohoo! We're going to take a break after our first circuit. And woo, take a break. Inhale, let it out. Alrighty, get up. We will transition into plank series. Forearm plank, hip dips side to side. Begin to get yourself ready. Navel in towards your lower back, twisting your hips from side to side. How we doing? Woohoo! Forearm plank, up to plank. Ready? Let's go. Plank, down to forearm plank. High plank, low plank. You can alternate between your hands. Strong core engagement. Navel towards the lower back. And we're gonna pause in high plank, mountain climbers. Let's go! Woohoo! Engage your core. Whoop, whoop. Let it burn! Let it burn! Down to forearm plank, side forearm plank. You can bring the arm up, arm behind your head, just holding. Lift your hips higher, squeeze your oblique. That's your break. Hips higher. And let's take it to the other side. Lift higher. Higher, higher, higher. Squeeze, squeeze your side body. And breathe. Back to forearm plank. And we will do hops. Out and in. Engage your core. After this, 30 seconds break. We gon' break up, then we make up. Woohoo! Take a breath in and out. Take a sip of water. Take a sip of water. Back onto your back. So good. Get ready. Feet to touch. Butterfly shape. We're gonna lift the booty up, slow and control, lower down, lower abs. Butterfly kick out, glue that lower back to the floor, extend the legs, bring it in, no gap in between the lower back and the floor. Avoid coning or doming your belly. Focus on squeezing and engaging your core. Alrighty, legs tabletop, and we're gonna reach to the opposite side. Shoulder blades up. Stay here, legs up, slow motion, lower and lift. Slow motion, lower and lift. You can hold onto your mat. It will help you to make it a little bit easier on you and protect your lower back. Okay, now lower, hold it here, and crisscross kicks. Lower abs on fire. Woohoo! Thanks, God. Okay, reverse crunch and leg extension. That's it. That's our last exercise. Give yourself your best. Again, no need to rush. Controlled, slow movement. Last one. Hold it and release. Woo! Holy moly. Guacamole, arms overhead. Let's take a full body stretch. Inhale. Open mouth, let it out. All right, flip onto your tummy. Let's stretch our abs. Cobra pose, straight arms, chest through the upper arms, just stretching our abdominal wall. Breathe into your abs, inhale, exhale, one more breath, let it out, take a quick child's pose, close your eyes for a moment. Lift yourself up, ground your feet, lift your sitting bones up to the sky, grab the opposite elbows, ragdoll, just a little sway side to side. Release any tension from your lower back. Stretch your hands, neck. Let go of your grip, roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart. Big breath in. Let it out, open mouth. And big applause to yourself. Good job, you killed it. I'm dripping sweat. That was nice and fiery and really strong for me. How about you? From 1 to 10, how challenging it was? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know, where are you from? I love connecting with you. I would love to know a little bit more about you. I'm little Cheri. If you're new here, nice to meet you. I live in Austin, Texas. I'm a mom of 2 adorable girls. I'm a wife to my sexy hubby that has 1 big ab. What else? That's it. If you did enjoy breaking a sweat with me today, if you did enjoy this fiery ab workout, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share with a friend of yours. Let's keep supporting each other, and I look forward to sweating with you again soon. From my heart to yours, have a beautiful day.